Pianissimo, pianissimo.
Pianissimo sono
Very soft.
Good job.
Yes, okay. It has to be very clear. Check every note slowly and then change the pedal. Every note. Equal volume. It's water. Same tempo. Equal. But very clear, very. And change pedal. Yes, it's not a freak, it's not a cadenza.
Каденц биш те.
Keep the same tempo.
Нэг темпэн дээр.
Calm.
Каденц чинь та нуус шатраа хараад чөлөөтэй байдаг шүү дээ. Чөлөөтэй яг нэг темпэн дээр байна.
Then this is free.
Вот ничэнэхтэй.
This is real, a real cadenza.
Жихэн каденц ч гэсэн энэ чи хуралч болно гэдэг. Яг хурдан чи
But this is very stable.
Яг нэг юм дээр.
And calm, but clear.
Бүх нотыг дуургаад
Here, very soft, almost nothing. Change pedal. And you have to be ready. It has to be like a big wave, and then you have to reach this. Remove las pedals. This would be much louder. You have to keep the pedal. And even if for now you cannot play it very fast, even slower should be have the same effect. You can make a very rallentando molto on the two last.
хамгийн сүүлтэй нь удаашгүй.
Not too slow. Otherwise it's very boring. Slow down.
Softer.
Yes, lento, lento. Take your time. It's the end of the piece. And you should have enough sound here. Play it a little louder, this natural C. Not like a big accent, but you should hear it more than enough. Exaggerate maybe. And then you must hear this enough. Okay, yes, maybe from the lento. Come. Then you don't need. Don't you very calm. And this not too loud because we need to hear this. So. Yes, this is the minimum. You should hear a little more sounds. Otherwise, we are wondering what's going on. Keep the pedal. We need the bass, we need the harmonies. Have to keep. In fact, everything is written, so you have to be careful what is written. Everything is written. The details. Most of the details are written. Change pedal. Time here you have bass each time. Take your time, each bass must be in the pedal. First the bass and then the melody. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. Take your time. Very steady, same tempo. No slowing down, even if you feel like it. It's not written like this. It's written like this. So really simple and direct, very soft, very. Till the end.